Well guys, I've just dug this out of the loft, haven't flown it, I don't know if I've flown it this year or not. See if it'll bind. That might work. We're out in a field somewhere and there was no wind, but I can feel it on my face. So I might walk over to the middle a little bit so we don't land straight in the hedge as soon as I start. I put extra nose weight on it because it has a habit of taking off in reverse. There we go, in reverse. Full forwards. Are we going to come forwards? No. This is very frustrating. So putting the extra nose weight on had no effect. Let's take all that nose weight off in case it's trying to compensate. Does make you think the tail rotor's not spinning fast enough. Right, I'm on full forwards. Right, I'm trying backwards now. Still not coming backwards. No, we're just going that way. Maybe it's the tail rotor motor. I don't know. I'd given up flying it. That's why it was up in the loft. But it just doesn't want to seem to go forwards into the wind. Maybe I'll have to strip it down and have a look at that tail motor. Right, last go. Now, there really is no wind to mention, it's just the lightest breeze. And yet it just can't fight against it. So up and down's okay, but I reckon maybe it's that motor. Tried it with extra nose weight to try and tip it up, that didn't help. So we'll take it apart and have a look, see what motor it is, see if it's replaceable.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.